The second step in the soldering sample is going to be to melt solder on the back of a piece of metal so that it can be soldered on top of the two pieces we edge soldered together. So you'll need one piece of metal that's relatively small, and you also will need excuse me, 2 pieces of easy or extra easy solder. And I'm just going to flux the metal first. And then I'll put my 2 pieces of easy solder on. So there's one piece there, and I'm going to clip one more piece. And I'll put one piece over on this side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is heat up my metal till the solder melts, and then I'll pull the flame away. So this time it's going to go a lot faster. So heat up the brick first. When the flux turns white, you can circle in. And as soon as the solder melts, you're going to take your flame away. So you have to be able to react pretty quickly. When you see that solder melt, take the flame away. We don't want the solder to pool out as much this time, because otherwise it will flatten out so much it won't be able to stick to the piece that we put it on top of. So just let it melt. As soon as it melts, you can take your flame away, and then make sure that you quench and pickle your metal.